Hello guys, I'm Fritters and welcome to part 2 of the private message system. So in this part we're going to create the inbox page and if we have time we're going to create the rest of the pages that we need. For before of that we're going to put here some logout link that we forgot to do that. So we're going to here, and where it says here we're going to just put here a logout link and log out.php and then log out. Alright, let's say this. We're going to just create here another page and then with only PHP for the logout page. So we're going to say session start and then we're going to say session destroy, and then you're going to put here a header and then the location. So you're going to say location, your location for a website or something. For me it's the local host, so I need to do this. Right. Now after to put here, so let's see, private messages, and alright, now it's done, and let's say this has logout, but not in the MSG. We're going to put it in the main page, so we're going to log out that, log out, and then if you're going to refresh the page, we have here we have here the logout page, and if you're going to click here we have it on the main page again. So we're going to click on bar 1 2 3 and then this is it works. So and you can say ABC, ABC, and it is on here. So we're going to the Bob one. I prefer the Bob. It's most 1 2 3. I think it's better to do this, and it's not because I see on the, but it was the first time it come to my head to this tutorial. So let's do the inbox page. Here we're going to do the session start. We need this. Basically we don't need this, but I prefer to do this, otherwise it will be complicated. Here we're going to connect to the database, so we need to connect the database and MySQL connect. Basically it's the same thing as we did to the login check, but here and our die MySQL error, then we're going to say this here, MySQL select db, then our die MySQL error, right. Here is private messages, and here it's localhost, and then root. Alright, first of all, after continuing this, we're going to save this page, and after that we're going to create here in the database another table. We're going to call it private messages. yeah. So, but this is not. So we're going to need the ID from user to user, subject, the message, the date of message, and the receive or the read part. So if you here read it, all right. So it's seven more 1 2 3 4. We need to add more 3. All right. We're going to add it. Sorry about being slow. All right. We have here everything. So we're going to say ID, the sensing ID. ID is always the thing that we needed. So, but yeah, we're going to add more too because I think it's better to put the ID of the user. Oh no, yeah, it's alright. Let this things. Oh yeah, maybe it is more. No, I yeah, it can be like that. If you need more, we're going to add here. So no worries about it. We're going to say from user. Then you're gonna say varchar. In this case, we need only 20 because we don't have too much values on the length on this. So to user is the same thing. It can be 20. The subject is a varchar, not text, varchar, and we can put it as 400. So here it will be the message. The message is a text. Sorry, message. It's a text. And then we don't need to put here. Here it's be the date. Right, date, and then read it. So here the read it is the one, and then this is to be a boolean as default 0. We're going to define it as a 0. So let's say this. Alright, save. Where it is. Oh yeah, the table name, sorry about that. So you're going to say private messages, and then you're going to save this. Alright, we created here the private message table. And we already have here. So what we're going to do is there's something that we need in the code. Here we're going to say, first of all, we're going to put here user equals $session, then you're going to say username. Alright, then here you're going to say select message, select. So then you're going to say MySQL query, and then you're going to select all from private messages where to user equals the user. So this it will be select the messages where the user that received the message is the user that is logged in. So and now we're going to say, you can say view here is view messages, can be view MSG, and then you're going to say views equals MySQL fetch a sock, then you're going to say view messages view MSG, and alright, we won't do with the other one like the other one, so but we can do it. Yeah, we could do it to be so we're going to say is like row equal MySQL num rows, then we're going to say view MSG, and then if the other row different than 0, otherwise do something, while then you're going to say while rows equals MySQL fetch assoc, then we're going to say view MSG, and then you're going to put something else on here, and here we're going to say echo open the form. We need to form. Oh yeah, we don't need form. We're going to, because this is on the table, so we're going to put this table and gr. So here we're going to just open the table, and open, nothing more. Here it will be echo _gr, then it will be echo td, sorry, my mistake, here is echo gr, because we're going to put something on this, so we're going to say echo td. Alright, so we're going to put some, we need to put it like this because it's, otherwise it won't appear something. So we're going to say echo td from, then, but here you can put it as you want, but here it can be like this, but echo td subject td. Right, so the td is a column, so do this, Alright. Here we're going to say this. Close jar. Then we're going here, we're going to say echo jar. Then we do it echo td, then something. For now we don't want to put this, so you're gonna just like that, and then echo td, then you're gonna say here from u equals the row, then from user, and then going to close this. The same goes to the other one, so we're going to say the same thing. That is subject equals row from not from, sorry, subject, and then you're going to close the alright, sorry, here is nothing. We don't want a message, so we're going to put this only the date. Date equals row date. Then you're going to say, oh yeah, I forgot something, but that's we don't need it. And outside here you're gonna close the table, so but you need with the echo, so you're going to close the table. Alright, here on the subject we can put here like a ref, then messages dot PHP ID read and m ID, it will be the ID. So and here we're going to add this and close this. Alright, here we're going to, yeah, here you can say ID equals row ID. Alright, so we're going to say the ID of the message, so it's basically this. And now we're going to just put here the else, we're going to put here echo, and echo can be everything on here, so we're going to just add here the same as the both, so we're going to just td from td from td subject. Alright, so we don't need more. We're gonna just put here another one that it will be that you don't you didn't I'm sorry you didn't receive a message, yeah. And we can instead dd we can just th is a column but in bold, so you're gonna say this and close the row and close the table. Alright, and then you're going to say this, and if you're going to here and you're going to refresh, yeah, here it's on line 34 where it is. Oh yeah, it's on here. We're going to refresh this, and as you can see it has here, oh yeah, we don't need to this one after all because the session already started, so we're going to say this, and here this is not a good way, so we're going to do something. We're going to say sorry here here we're going to align the row align left, and this one need to be equal then you need 1 2 3 4 spaces, and yeah, basically is this. You didn't receive nothing yet, so if well we're going to just yeah, we're going to put here an NBSP, sorry, something like this, and do the same thing here. We're gonna just put ENBSP. Alright, as you can see it appears here like we don't have a message, so because in the private messages we don't have it, we don't have any data, so this is in blank, so this doesn't have any data that can be used on database. So here's on here, so it appears like this. This is a inbox page, and we're going to create a tutorial. We're going to create. Sorry about the tutorial. It's not this. We are doing the tutorial, but we're going to do the page of compose after, but only in the next part. So see you until there. Bye.